Welcome to the video tutorial on how to scrape URLs from Google. In this video tutorial you'll learn how to use Chrome web browser and a plugin with Chrome to scrape the URLs from the search engine results page of Google. The first step is to open the Chrome browser. So once you've opened the Chrome browser, you then can search Google using the words link grabber Chrome extension. You should top result. You'll see at the top is link grabber. So we'll go to that URL page, that web page, and you should see an icon that looks like this chain with a green arrow pointing to the right. Once you see this, you can then click the Add to Chrome button. Then you'll see a pop-up that says Add Link Grabber. Click the Add Extension button. This will then add this extension to your Chrome browser, and you should get this message on the right: Link Grabber has been added to Chrome, and you'll see the icon in the far right with the chain and a green arrow to the right, and that's when you know it's been installed properly. Next, we'll open a new tab and we'll want to go to google.com.au, and down the bottom right hand corner you'll see a settings button. You'll want to click that. Then once you click the settings button, you'll see search settings. Click that. Now what you want to do is, under the Google Instant Predictions, click Never Show Instant Results. Make sure that's clicked, and then for results per page, make sure that you have 100 selected. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save. This will save these search preferences. Now make sure that you've gone to google.com.au, because that's a part of the test for this task. You'll need to be using google.com.au. Next, you'll need to access your work files. You'll be provided two work files. One is a notepad that will list the different keywords to search in Google, and the other is a Excel spreadsheet that will look like this. With column A, there's URL header, and column B, there is root domain header. In the B2 cell, there should be a equation that looks like that, a formula, sorry, that looks like that, and then there's an example URL in A2. So the first step is to go to your keyword list and copy the first line, put that into Google, click enter, and then you'll see the search results. But before we do that, now we need to add go to the right click on the link grabber icon. When you right click, a drop down list will appear. Then you'll click the options button. This will display the link grabber options page. So on the link grabber options page, you can add domains that you don't want to be scraped. So because the Google search engine results page has a whole series of URLs that you don't want to be grabbing, so these are default URLs in the search. So you will be provided a list of URLs to block. the domain. These URLs will all be listed like this, and you'll just need to add them in one at a time. So from your block domains list, you just one per line, so paste it in, add, go to the next one, paste that in, add, next one, add, and so forth. So you just add all of these domains. So once you've added all the block domains, you can then proceed to searching Google with your keyword list. So go to your keyword list and copy the first line. Then go to google.com.au and you can paste in your first keyword, click search, then go to the link grabber icon and left click it. This will then scrape all the URLs from that page. You can then, in the top right hand corner of the link grabber page, you'll see a copy. Click the copy button. This will then copy all the URLs to the clipboard, and then you open the spreadsheet that you were provided, and you paste these URLs in into column A from A2 all the way down. Now you'll go back to the search results page and you'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll click number 2, so you'll go to the next page and repeat the process. So left click link grabber. This will scrape all the URLs from page 2, and you click the copy button in the top right hand corner of the link grabber URL page. Then next you'll go back to your Excel spreadsheet, and you can control and the down arrow will take you right to the bottom of the last URL that you added in the Excel spreadsheet, and you in the next cell below it just control V and you'll paste all the URLs into that column A. So all the URLs that we're copying from Google, we're just going to paste into the column A of your Excel spreadsheet. Now to go to the bottom cell, just hold down Control and click the down arrow on your keyboard, and that will take you to the last URL from the list. So now we're going to want to go to page 3 of the Google search results. So again, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, the Google search engine results page, go to page 3, and then we're going to left click the link grabber icon again. That will grab all the URLs from that page, and then we'll click the copy button back to our Excel spreadsheet and paste them in, control down to the bottom. And we're going to go to the 4th page, scroll down to the bottom. So we've now reached the end of the results for this keyword that we're searching. Sometimes you'll get to page 6, sometimes page 4, sometimes to page 5. In this case, we've only managed to get 3 pages of search results. We can repeat this search, but the reason that Google has kind of only shown 3 is that they're saying that most of the other results are all the same, very similar. So there's no need for us to continue scraping. So we'll then go to our next keyword. From our list. So the second line, we'll copy that. And we'll go back to Google up to the top and paste it in. Now we'll get a new set of results, and we'll left click the link grabber copy those URLs and paste them into our column A of our spreadsheet, then control down to the bottom row, bottom cell, and then we'll repeat this for the next page. So we'll scroll down the Google search page, click on page 2, and left click on the link grabber. That will grab all these URLs again from that page, and click on the copy, left click, copy button. That will copy all these URLs to the clipboard. Then we'll go back to the Excel spreadsheet and paste them in again. So we're going to repeat this process, going to collecting all the URLs for this search term, and so we reach the final page. So you'll need to do that for all the keywords in your list. So there should be 10 keywords in your list. So you'll have to just go through the results and add them to this spreadsheet. Now once you've finished this process, you then want to go to the column, to the top of the column B, where so it's cell B2. You'll see that this formula is in that cell. Now you'll want to go to the bottom right hand corner of B2 cell, and you'll see that this black cross appears. Now if you move it away, it turns into a larger white cross, but we want it to be on the smaller black cross. And then once you see the smaller black cross and you're on the right hand corner of B2 cell, double left click, and then that will repeat this formula in all the cells in column B, right down to the bottom. And so you can, what you then want to do is click on the B column, select all the results. So you can do that by just clicking the first row, not row 1, but the heading above that, and then click data in the tab, then click remove duplicates. This icon will then appear, remove duplicates warning. So you want to, what do you want to do? You want to expand the selection and remove duplicates. So click the remove duplicates once the expand the selection has been selected, and then you'll want to click the unselect all button, then click root domain. Only make sure that only root domain column is selected, then click OK, and that will remove all the duplicate domains from this. Once you've completed that, click File, Save As, and then now save it to your desktop and add your name to the file. So I'll say Jess, and then add the keyword list ID that you've been given. So in this case, so you'll see that the keyword list will have an ID number in it. So you want to save that to this new file. So in this case, it's ID 09823812322. So you'll see it up the top in the notepad, the actual ID number for that keyword list. Then click Save on the desktop, and then you've completed the first step, which is scraping the URLs from the keyword list. Congratulations.